Keke Efi Kitekrachi, both are currently OT region. But it's here, name family now, Kratchen Panther. Yeah, we senior brother na on the air of the training, and also Bobo, and my uncles near there, also very good. No, not at all. The call came through my manager that they want my services, and that was how it started. I mean, who says no to Asante Koto? I'm always a fighter. I started from nowhere. And I don't see myself stopping now. I'm always a fighter. I give out my 100% and even more. Very, very well. It's as if I've been here for a long while. And I can say so far so good. I knew about 50% of the players before joining, but those that didn't know they're massive, coming into contact with them, they are also very, very good. So far so good. We will give out our best. We will fight. I mean, camp no idea, and I would get kind of fast on more expectation. So we'll do our maximum best. Yeah, we'll find by one time. So far, it has been very good, difficult but very good. Every coach and how he approaches preseason, it's not that different, but it is very demanding. With Asante Kotoko, we want to get to the apex, like to the highest level in Africa and across the nations of the world. But personally, I also want to move to the higher heights, play the Black Stars, and after I've served my contract here, or even within the contract, if a good offer comes outside and the management is willing to allow me to go, yes, I'll go and pursue my career elsewhere. As I said, I see myself in a lot of players. Like, I see myself in Kevin De Bruyne. I see myself in, I don't know if he's retired now. I've not been hearing of Yaya Toure, Paul Pogba, Michael Essien, Sule Muntari. I see myself in a lot of, because I don't just pick role models. I learn a lot from, even if you're a defender, I can learn something from you. Me being a midfielder, if you're an attacker, I can learn something from you. So it's about learning and moving forward. Difference in the America say, the way Jama more fans and supporters near one better. Difference no one with me at church room, yeah. We need the rain in the way complete na way incomplete. And we have Jama more fans than football lovers.